Sailing Vessel Toucan is berthed at Concord Yacht Club. Your hosts have years of training and experience, both inland and offshore, recreational and commercial. Our 29-foot Catalina, Sailing Vessel Toucan, is near Knoxville, Tennessee, on the Tennessee River. You need a good cruising base. We conveniently live in Knoxville, Tennessee, near the head of navigation on the Tennessee River. This gives us access to the whole inland Mississippi River system and its tributaries, plus access to the Gulf of Mexico and beyond. Access to the Gulf is a long cruise, but we certainly have a secure hurricane hole to call home. In the past, we've found that anti-fouling bottom paint appears to function better when exposed to fresh and salt water, so we plan to do just that. Concord Yacht Club is located at mile 616 on the Tennessee River between Knoxville and Chattanooga. Concord Yacht Club is located between Knoxville and Fort Loudon Lock and Dam. The Tennessee joins the Mississippi River at Cairo, Illinois. Most coastal cruisers depart the Tennessee near Pickwick Landing Lock and Dam and follow the Ten Tom Waterway to Mobile, Alabama, and the Gulf Intercoastal Waterway or the Gulf of Mexico. The club has 3 primary boat storage docks and a set of mooring balls. There's a nice meeting room and classrooms and a kitchen facility. This is Dave's dock at CYC, where we keep our Catalina sailboat. Here's the plaque to honor the person that dock is named after. And this is the fixed portion of the dock. The river level goes up and down about 4 feet here during a typical year. So we've got a fixed portion of the dock, then a ramp, and then the floating portion. Up ahead of us are the power transfer boxes that get AC power out onto the dock for us. And here's the ramp that pivots up and down. That's the reason we've got the slots on here, so we can walk on this easier when it's down in the river. And there is sometimes some goose poop on the dock, but that's typical in this area. We do have some one design sailboats in the fleet here. And then we've got 3 docks here that have larger boats on them. Our boat is in slip 38 on this dock, so we're all the way out to the end of the dock. There is a fair amount of wake here from passing boats, so you'll notice the boats are bobbing up and down as we go out onto the dock, sometimes more violently than others. There are various sized boats here. Some of them are registered in Tennessee. Our boat is a documented vessel, so we don't have to have the Tennessee numbers on the bow. We do have to have the name and hailing port on the stern of the vessel, and we do have to have a Tennessee sticker that we purchase and put on the mast. The further out we get, the more you see the boats bobbing up and down. But this is normal. Sometimes on weekends, it gets quite shaky around here. And now we're coming up on our slip. And there's Toucan, 29-foot Catalina, 1999 boat that we brought out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And here's the anchor up on the bow. This is a 25-pound anchor. And of course, roller furling jib and the mainsail with the cover. And here we are going on out onto the dock on the port side where we normally board. And we do have covers on the boat when it's sitting here at the dock. The Tennessee joins the 10 Tom at Tennessee River Mile 215, 401 miles downriver from our home port. The 10 Tom waterway empties into the Mobile Bay with access to the Gulf of Mexico, Key West, the Caribbean, and beyond. We're 7 locks and 401 miles from the 10 Tom waterway, and then 12 locks and 253 miles from Mobile Bay and the Gulf. Toucan is located in slip 38 on Dave's dock at CYC. It's only 31 miles upriver to Knoxville to visit the University of Tennessee football games and to be part of all that madness. Knoxville is also the home of the 305-passenger stern-wheel riverboat, the Star, that I piloted for 15 years. There are numerous beautiful homes all along the river from Knoxville to Fort Loudon Lock. 14 miles downriver from CYC is Fort Loudon Lock and Dam with its 80-foot lift or drop. Past Watts Bar Lock is Chickamauga Lock that's being rebuilt and expanded. Below Chick Lock is the city of Chattanooga with the Tennessee Aquarium and the Southern Belle Riverboat. Below Chattanooga is Lake Guntersville and the Lake Guntersville State Park with docking facilities. Next downriver is Huntsville with Ditto Landing Marina and, as of 2020, the NASA Space and Rocket Center. Continuing downbound, there are the towns of Decatur, Florence, Muscle Shoals, and then the 10 Tom waterway branches off on the way to the Mobile Bay and the Gulf of Mexico. For us riverboaters, be careful when you get out into the Gulf in a small boat. There are things out there called waves. Thanks for viewing this brief video introduction to Concord Yacht Club. We hope you will like and subscribe to our Sailing Toucan video channel and visit our SailingToucan.org website.